Hi team, I've put together a short video to assist you with organising your payments. I've done it on my phone to show you how it works, as I know most of you use the software on your phone. To begin, I'm opening the software and logging in. I then go to Clients and type in my student's name. Once I find the student, I go down to the bottom if I want to change the cost of a lesson. For example, the first lesson, $55. Or if I'm offering a family discount, I can simply type in my desired amount and click Adjust. Then I click on Pay Now, and if they pay cash, I type $55 into the cash box. And if they pay card, I put $55 into the credit card box, then enter their card details below. Once I've done this, I click Save Payment. If you want to add a package, go down to the bottom of the booking and click Add Products. Once you've added the correct product, click Update. Now you'll see at the bottom, it says 10 manual lessons, 1 hour each. But you'll also notice that the price of one lesson at $65 is still remaining there. So click Pay Now, and next to the voucher field, you'll see the word Redeem. Once you click on that, the price of the 1 hour lesson at $65 will be subtracted from the total cost. Then proceed with the payment. If it is a cash payment and they have already paid you the cash, type $580 in the cash field and click Save Payment. The student page now will say Paid in the color blue. If it is a credit card payment, type $580 into the credit field and then click on Process Credit Card, Stripe. Once you have entered their card details, click Save Payment. And again, the student page will read Paid in blue. You can also take partial payment. To do this, you follow the same steps by adding the package, but when you type in the payment, you can put, for example, $350 in the cash box, then click on Save Payment twice. This will show an outstanding amount, and it is easy to keep track of your payments. Once the package has been paid for, either fully or partially, you will be able to redeem the vouchers for each lesson. Step 1. Click on the booking you want to make paid. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom and click Pay Now. Step 3. Click the Redeem button next to the voucher field. Step 4. Click Save Payment. Note: if the student does not have any vouchers left, the voucher option will not come up in payment options. Please call the office if you need further help with this, as we really want to make sure everyone is confident with making their students paid.